Maneno ya shamba ya Cheruget tumeita Cheruget. Tumeketi chini na yeye. Tumekubaliana. Hiyo shamba tutanunua kama serikali, alafu tugawie wale wako pale waendelee na kuishi hapo.
Ona ni uongo because sisi kama familia hatujapata ripoti yote.
One day later.
Just as His Excellency the President stated, we are in engagement with the government on this matter. And we have already made an offer to sell the land to the government to settle the squatters.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Chamgei. Maneno ya shamba ya Cheruget tumeita Cheruget. Tumeketi chini na yeye. Tumekubaliana. Hiyo shamba tutanunua kama serikali, alafu tugawie wale wako pale waendelee na kuishi hapo.
Ona ni uongo because sisi kama familia hatujapata ripoti yote, hatujui ni nani anaongea na rais. Ninashangaa kwa sababu mambo ya succession ya hii shamba ya mzee bado iko njiani, it is in process and we are waiting to see who should be the administrator of this land. Rais alipokuja Tuesday alikuja akaongelesha watu, akasema ameongea na baba mwenye alikufa miaka 7 iliyopita. Na babangu amekufa. Tujui wanafanya negotiation na nani kwa hii familia. Kitu ninasema ninaenda kotini kuchua ukweli mahali.
Our late father's land, LR Ilmotiok Sismara /54. Just as His Excellency the President stated, we are in engagement with the government on this matter. And we have already made an offer to sell the land to the government to settle the squatters. Interestingly and worthy of note, our father, the late Isaiah Kiplangat Cheruget, had on several occasions reached out to the government, looking for a peaceful and amicable solution. Sadly, he passed on before its actualization. We, the family, are pleased and extremely grateful to His Excellency the President and the Governor Narok for their determination and resolve to find a meaningful solution. We also wish to bring to your attention that all matters concerning succession and the estate of our late father was conclusively settled at the High Court in Kericho, and a confirmation of grant issued on the 12th of June 2018. We therefore wish to ask the members of the public to ignore any other persons purporting to speak on behalf of the family. And that's the end of my statement. Thank you so much for availing this opportunity to us to address you. Thank you. And that's the end. The family has determined that since we are in the process of, this process is not complete, we would be grateful if you could defer any questions until this matter is sorted out. Thanks. Other relevant material touching on the reaction that was elicited when the president made the statements, they'll be of interest to you.
I have a question. From citizen. You disown the person who went on media yesterday alleging he's a son.
I didn't want to address that because he's a stranger. The grant specifically states who is the administrator, and he doesn't appear anywhere. So I would rather not recognize him in the sense that he actually is a stranger. Yeah.
So what you say about perhaps some supporters who may have participated in trying to aid you on?
We don't know. We don't know.
We have a statement from the MCA. So
Yeah.
you can have a look at
We
that.
have a statement from the MCA regarding the squatters on the ground, which we are making available to you. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot, everybody.